These are not landfills or dump yards, but the state of some of the biggest lakes of Bengaluru. In this country, bubbling with pollution, overpopulation, lack of access to clean drinking water, and so many dying lakes, one man is on a mission to change the scenario for good.
Hello, I am Anand Maligwad. I am with Better India, mission of saving India one lake at a time. So today lakes are so important that without lakes there is no life. Our first project we have started in April 2017 and it is a Kalisnali lake. It is about 36-acre lake and we could able to complete this project within 45 days of time. Out of Bangalore's 300 lakes, only one lake, you can touch the water, you can put it into mouth and you can feel the water quality. After completion of Kalisnali lake, I thought it's okay, but finally when I seen the result, the ripple effect it is created surrounding area, it made me to continue further. Surrounding villagers, they started pressurizing me, since you have done in 45 days, since it is giving a best result, why don't you continue furthermore? Now by 2025, I am aiming to rejuvenate about 45 lakes. It's not a number, it's not a just logical thing. My plan is, I have divided into 4 zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4 as a Bangalore. Zone 1 is Anekal Taluk, which I am sitting here. Zone 2 is KR-Puram, Whitefield and other area. Zone 3 is Jakkur and Hebbal and this area. Zone 4 is Kanakpura, Bannerghatta Road, Mysore Road. This is Zone 4.
With 42 more lakes to be saved by 2025, Anand has already planned his next strides at Gavi and Nanjapura lakes.
My dream is to give India one of the best wetlands in the planet. Saving nature does not require only money. This is a collective effort of every citizen of the planet, every individual who drink the water, who use our natural resources. So we wanted to involve each and every citizen. After rejuvenation of this lake, farmers could able to get 2 to 3 inch of the water in their borewell. They started growing vegetables, flowers, and last 2 years, I think it is a 3rd crop they have put up, and economy of the farmers it has been changed.
The Better India's own passionate interest in doing something for the environment led to the birth of the Lake Revivers Collective, an initiative as a part of which we at the Better India and our readers will help Anand reach his goal of saving India one lake at a time. So join Anand and the Better India and donate now to help us breathe life back into India's lakes.